Quarter number one is Lem 2, Elements and Compound, but this time this is for second lesson already, or lesson 2. With compound, its formation and decomposition. How is compound being formed, and what is a simple way to decompose a compound? Discuss with you first our objective. This module will help you to define compounds, describe how compounds are formed, and illustrate how compound decomposes. I will be showing you just an example, an illustration on how compound is being decomposes. Elements, and in grade 6 you learned about substances and mixtures. In lesson 1, you've learned about how elements or the name of the elements, the symbol of elements are derived from. Now, we will use those elements to form a compound. It's a substance that is made from one more than atom. As you can see, you have a compound called water from oxygen atom and hydrogen atom. Right? For the sodium chloride, you have sodium atom, sodium element, and chlorine atom. It is the atom that combines, all right? Atom of a specific element. For the carbon dioxide, carbon atom and oxygen atoms. So you have atoms of carbon and oxygens to form carbon dioxide. How many atoms of oxygen? 2. How many atoms of carbon? Only 1. Okay? For water, you have 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. So that's how compound form. A combination of 2 or more atoms of an element. Is the methane gas. Methane gas has 1 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atoms that surrounds the carbon. We also have a diatomic molecule, the gas molecule of oxygen. So remember, this is a compound already because you are dealing with two atoms of the same elements. Here, for oxygen gas molecule, here 2 hydrogen. When they combine, they become compound called hydrogen gas. Nitrogen also, when you combine those or the atoms of nitrogen, it becomes a nitrogen gas. All right? Down into its atomic components. So as you can see, we have calcium carbonate or the chalk. It composes calcium, oxygen, and carbon. Chemical decomposition. Take note of that. Take chemical decomposition. So it goes back to its original component, calcium, oxygen, and carbon. Same is true with hydrochloric acid. From from the HCl, separates into hydrogen and chlorine by chemical process only. You cannot separate them using a physical process. Okay? A combination of 2 or more atoms. Compounds cannot be separated by physical process. When compound is formed, the chemical properties of elements present in the compound change. For example, if you drink or if you eat chlorine alone, you will be poisoned. But if it's combined with sodium, becomes salt, it makes your food tastier. Okay?